Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable one-handed mode on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So first you want to go into settings, scroll almost all the way down until you see advanced features. And here you can see the one-handed mode option. We can simply toggle it on, or we can click it in order to actually customize it how we want to enable one-handed mode. And we can do that by doing a gesture or clicking button. For me it will be button, as it's easier to do. So now if I would double tap my home screen, home button, we can now have our phone in one-handed mode, meaning that if I would easily just take it to my hand, I can easily control all my home screen with only my thumb here, as I couldn't probably, I can't really reach the other side. And if you want to disable it, we simply do the same gesture or the same button once again, and it is by simply double tapping on the home button, or doing a gesture if you have a gesture enabled. So if you like this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.